Alden, it's your update, and spotted si Alden sa office ng Viva yung kahapon. Galing pa yan nung event ng Belo for the Scar Project. Ito yung video. Kaya nagkaseta si Donnie. Nakikinig si Alden.
The mind is so small, and I can just imagine the effect really big scar have on people throughout their lives.
We're trying to empower people to take
Yan naman si Catriona Gray.
of their narrative again. Maybe they lost it along the way. Maybe it was society that actually put on a negative light onto what they had experienced. And it could very much be a very negative experience. But there is feeling to be found.
And without
si Alden na.
all of us, all your fellow bachelors, you've been really all throughout without you knowing it. Without you knowing it. You've been
Natabi niya si Miss Isra Calzado.
and bringing us almost closer to perfection.
Yan na yung mga Belo babies. Ang Belo. Yan reaction ni Alden. Ba't daw ginagawa yun eh. Yung padila. Post ni Alden. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.